Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Wallace. I've decided to do a video about open house tomorrow instead of having everybody in the cafeteria because I know how excited the kids are to get to their classrooms. So I just want to welcome you all to our open house and just a little bit of the expectations for tomorrow night. The kids know that at South Grafton Elementary School, we walk in the hallways and we're respectful to all the things on the walls. I am asking everybody to go to the classrooms. We're not going to be going to the art room, the computer lab, and the gym tomorrow night because in the spring, you'll have specialist night where you are able to visit those teachers. So if you just go to your child's classroom and spend some time in there or walk around to other classrooms if you want, that would be great. Also tomorrow night, we're going to have the Boy Scouts here. We're going to have the Grafton Public Library here, and we will have Mrs. Giacometti out in our front table to share anything that you want to know about our PBIS program here at South Grafton Elementary School. Tonight, we have our first PTO meeting at Millbury Street at 5:30. The PTO here at South Grafton Elementary School is amazing. They help us with our field trips. They help with teacher grants. They do a lot of nice things for our teachers, so I hope you can come out and support them. They also have a PTO, South Grafton PTO website that I'll share in my newsletter this week. So I just want to give them a shout out because they do a lot for us here at South Grafton Elementary School. I can't wait to see everybody tomorrow night, and we'll have a great time.